Hello everyone. This is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at how to use by in English grammar. Let's get started. How to use the preposition by in English grammar. We use the preposition by to talk about a means or method used to do something. We use the preposition by to talk about a means or method used to do something. I did it by mistake. I did it by mistake. Contact me by email. Contact me by email. I want to pay by check. I want to pay by check. It is said to be pay cash or pay in cash and not by cash. It is said to be pay cash or pay in cash and not by cash. We also use by to tell by which means of transport someone travels. We also use by to tell by which means of transport someone travels. He always goes to work by bus. He always goes to work by bus. She likes to travel by plane. She likes to travel by plane. We can also use by bike, by ship, by train, by road, by air, by rail. We can also use by bike, by ship, by train, by road, by air, by rail. We stay on foot and not by foot. We stay on foot and not by foot. By is used to make sentences on the passive. By is used to make sentences on the passive. He was killed by an elephant. He was killed by an elephant. They were invited by Paul. They were invited by Paul. She was bitten by a dog. She was bitten by a dog. The car was fixed by the mechanic. The car was fixed by the mechanic. This house was built by my father. This house was built by my father. By allows you to talk about an action with a goal, with a verb plus ing. By allows you to talk about an action with a goal, with a verb plus ing. You can stay healthy by drinking a lot of water. You can stay healthy by drinking a lot of water. By pressing this button, you turn off the computer. By pressing this button, you turn off the computer. To talk about the author of a work. To talk about the author of a work. I'm reading a book by Stephen King. I'm reading a book by Stephen King. It's a film by James Cameron. It's a film by James Cameron. That's a nice song by Bruno Mars. That's a nice song by Bruno Mars. To describe a person. To describe a person. He is an engineer by trade. He is an engineer by trade. By nature, she is very nervous. By nature, she is very nervous. To express a difference, a deviation. To express a difference, a deviation. She won by 5 points. She won by 5 points. The ballet missed me by inches. The ballet missed me by inches. To indicate the times of day. To indicate the times of day. We traveled by night and rested by day. We traveled by night and rested by day. By is sometimes used to indicate proximity. By is sometimes used to indicate proximity. The bank is by the bakery. The bank is by the bakery. There's a good restaurant by the lake. There's a good restaurant by the lake. My parents live by the sea. My parents live by the sea. She was standing by me. She was standing by me. By indicates a time limit. By indicates a time limit. My son must be in bed by 10 o'clock. My son must be in bed by 10 o'clock. I'll be there by 9. I'll be there by 9. The letter must be sent by September 15. The letter must be sent by September 15. By indicates a conformity with something. By indicates a conformity with something. He must play by the rules. He must play by the rules. The elephant is an animal protected by law. The elephant is an animal protected by law. By my watch, it's 9 o'clock. By my watch, it's 9 o'clock. By my calculations, it's too late. By my calculations, it's too late. By is used in calculation, measurement, and quantity expressions. By is used in calculation, measurement, and quantity expressions. Divide, slash, multiply 10 by 2. Divide, slash, multiply 10 by 2. My bed is 2 meters by 4. My bed is 2 meters by 4. This fabric is sold by the meter. This fabric is sold by the meter. She's selling cakes by the thousands. She's selling cakes by the thousands. The company decided to cut prices by 50%. The company decided to cut prices by 50%. To give his opinion. To give his opinion. If that's okay by you, I'd like to leave now. If that's okay by you, I'd like to leave now. That's fine by me. That's fine by me. To say next to another thing. To say next to another thing. The two girls were sitting side by side on a bench. The two girls were sitting side by side on a bench. To say that we did something on our own. To say that we did something on our own. The dog opened the door by itself. The dog opened the door by itself. I stayed at home by myself. I stayed at home by myself. By the way, by the way, by the way, are you coming tonight? By the way, are you coming tonight? We use by to express the frequency. We use by to express the frequency. The babysitter is usually paid by the hour. The babysitter is usually paid by the hour. Climate change is deteriorating by the day. Climate change is deteriorating by the day. To indicate a gradual process. To indicate a gradual process. He ate all the cakes one by one. He ate all the cakes one by one. House prices are climbing day by day. House prices are climbing day by day. The instruction manual details the process step by step. The instruction manual details the process step by step. So this video ends here about how to use by in English grammar. Thanks for watching.